English Podcast. Welcome to today's English Podcast, a place where stories meet wisdom.
Here, we share meaningful tales that not only improve your English but also touch your heart. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin today's journey. Studio microphone story: The Farmer and the Stone. Long ago, in a small countryside village, there lived a poor farmer. Every morning, he would wake up before sunrise, work hard in his fields, and return home tired but hopeful. Even though his life was full of struggle, he always dreamed of finding something that would change his destiny. One day, while digging the soil to plant seeds, his shovel hit something very hard. Curious, he knelt down and pulled out a big stone covered with dirt. At first, he thought it was useless, just another rock from the ground. He wanted to throw it away, but something inside him told him to keep it. The farmer took the stone home. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. One evening, while cleaning the stone, he noticed a small sparkle beneath the dust. Surprised, he washed it carefully, and to his amazement, it was not an ordinary rock. It was a hidden gemstone shining brightly. The farmer was shocked. That worthless-looking stone had been a treasure all along. He realized that if he had thrown it away, he would have lost the greatest gift of his life. From that day, he understood a powerful lesson: sometimes, life gives us things that look ordinary, but with patience and effort, they reveal extraordinary value. Just like the stone, people too can shine if we don't give up on them, and if we give them time and care. The farmer sold the gemstone, and his life changed forever. But more importantly, his heart was filled with wisdom. He often told his children and neighbors, never judge something or someone too quickly. Great treasures are often hidden in simple, ordinary forms. Sparkle's moral of the story: patience and belief can turn struggles into blessings. Every difficulty, every challenge, might be hiding a gift that will change your life.